Welcome. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Today, we are celebrating the heart chakra and the color green. And what is a better way to celebrate the color green than to eat green foods? That helps us to heal our heart chakra as well as its life. And it helps us restore life. And that's what we're going to do right now today. We're going to celebrate love. We're going to celebrate life. We're going to celebrate the color green. We're going to make some immune boosting remedies over here that will help us boost our immune system in a time that we need to create love more than ever, to help us raise our vibration in order to ward off fear, to ward off sickness, to ward off disease. And this is the whole reason why we heal our chakras and we do healing. It's in order to lead our best lives. And this is the time we're in. We're going to have some natural life remedies over here. All right, let's get to work making up some remedies. Then we will have a tarot card reading and celebrate the heart.
What color is it gonna be? Your P-E-E-E. Red is mine, red is mine. Beats they make me feel sublime.
We're gonna mix this all up, but the whole reason that this started, oh, and thank you, Beat Grader, was me and my Soul Tribe member there were speaking about, he's like, I don't want to celebrate this day. It's drinking green beer. And I'm like, me neither, not like that. But that's where we're using the energy of the child in order to still celebrate. We still have these celebrations and we're bridges from old earth to new earth. So why not instead celebrate Mother Earth? And yes, you know, we go to the doctor when we're sick and we get treated, but it doesn't mean we have to disrespect the earth and her healing properties and what she has to offer us. And we know we're kitchen witches. We can make up some of these lovely electrolyte foods full of information, as well as they'll help detoxify us. And we know we want that third eye activated, as well as that chakra flow through us. Now, I like to always try the beet. First, I like to add turmeric powder, as this is a great antioxidant and it also helps with inflammation. Healing properties through the roof. You add to taste how you like your turmeric. Now, I have a glass jar in order to show you the color of this oil. I like to use hemp oil, and wait till you see why. Look at how green this oil is. That's incredible. That's life, guys. Throw that in there. I also want to say before I stir this up that I eat Brussels sprouts like candy around here. And I know not everyone's a fan of Brussels sprouts, but wow. These guys are connected to... all this life is connected to sacred geometry. There's sacred geometry on vegetables and fruit. Check it out. Some fresh lemon. Another incredible antioxidant. This even purifies the liver. We need some purification for the liver over consumption of too much green beer. Time for a taste test. Very zingy, zippy. I love them because they're fresh and they're still have all the antioxidant properties intact. And beets have naturally occurring sugar in them. So I also feel satisfied, and like my sugar craving is naturally satisfied. I'm happy. Right, let's make some tea. These are some of my favorite teas right here. This one has holy basil in it. It's extremely, extremely high vibe tea, as well as Organic roasted dandelion root, well, that's going to help detoxify our liver and our insides. Ginger aid, this helps in aiding with digestion. We can go to our lemongrass green tea. And if you're having trouble sleeping, give this one a try. Alrighty, let's make some tea. Hey, look guys, it's our pot of gold over here at the end of the rainbow. This pot of gold will help aid in digestion and help keep our immune system up. That's pretty important right now. Anything we can do to help our bodies is going to be beneficial. Tea and dogs. The best medicine. The best medicine, guys. Raising the vibes.